TIS can dim ZigBee LEDs and control color using its TISB products, such as RGB bulbs and LED drivers. To add ZigBee devices to your hub using the TIS DevSearch software, locate your ZigBee hub in the list, select it, and double-click to open it. Go to the ZigBee Devices tab, then select the Lighting Device option. Turn your TIS ZigBee RGB bulb on and off 7 times rapidly until it starts blinking in different colors. This indicates that the bulb has entered joining network pairing mode. In the software, click Open Join Window. The joining mode will start a 255-second countdown, allowing ZigBee devices in joining mode to connect. After a few seconds, the ZigBee RGB light should automatically appear in the list, highlighted in yellow. If the device does not appear after 1 minute, click Read Status from Converter and try again. Double-click the newly added channel. Test the channel by changing color and brightness. Add a comment. Keep the default channel number or change it. Assign the channel to a specific room. You can define how the hub reacts after a power outage to restore to off or restore to on or restore to toggle or restore to previous status, then press Save. You can add additional ZigBee lights and LED drivers to the network one by one. The ZigBee Universal LED driver is designed to control different types of LED lighting and is equipped with dip switches for flexible configuration. By adjusting the dip switches, the driver can be set to operate with various LED types and control modes, including 1-channel dimmer mode, CW, WW color temperature control mode, RGBW control mode. After changing the dip switch configuration, restart the LED driver power. Then press the reset button 5 times rapidly, short presses, until the LED starts blinking quickly. This indicates that the driver has entered joining mode. In this example, configure the driver as an LED dimmer and follow the same joining procedure described above. Be sure to test the channel by adjusting brightness, add comments, and assign the channel to a room. To add the device as a color temperature controller, change the dip switch to the CW/WW mode. Put the device into joining mode. Click Open Join Window in the software. 2 channels will be added. The first for brightness, the second for color temperature. Test both channels, add comments, and assign them to a room. When the dip switch is set to RGBW mode, the device will be added as an RGBW channel. You can then test the colors and brightness, add comments, and assign it to a room. You can control the ZigBee LED dimmer or color temperature driver using a scene switch or through ZigBee hub logic by using the single channel light command. Select the room and the channel. For each color temperature channel, 2 commands will be available. The first command controls the brightness percentage, and the second command adjusts the Kelvin color temperature. When finished, all channels will be saved in the database. To verify, go to Project Config, select Rooms, and review your configured channels.